Hello, hi everybody. Welcome to Nayak's Learning Lab. So in today's lesson, we will discuss about letter, both formal and informal. What is letter? Why do we write letter? Actually, we write letter to convey our message to other, to convey our feeling to other, to convey our emotion to other, for which we write a letter. But nowadays letter writing has become a part and parcel in CBSE curriculum, and you must get a question in your board exam. So let's today discuss letter writing, how to write a letter. Letter writing. When writing letter, decide if they are going to be formal or informal. What is the difference between formal and informal letter? A formal letter, which we are writing to any office, elderly person, to complain anywhere else, to collector, to BDR, like that, to any office or to any organization, that is called formal letter. But what is informal letter? The letter which we are writing to our relatives, to our friend, and there we are using informal words. So let's discuss. What is formal and where we can write, or to whom we can write the formal letter? To people you don't know, that is formal letter. To an organization such as a bank or the council or any office, you can write formal letter. Possibly letters of complaint or letters asking for information, that is the letter which we write, that will be formal letter. And what is informal letter and whom we can write informal letter? The people you know, such as friends or relatives of kith or kin. Okay, relatives or kith or kin, we can write informal letter, a letter to your friend. An article for your school magazine, you can write informal letter. There you have to use direct speech in a story, informal way you can write. Okay. Let's see writing a formal letter. Nowadays one side of the paper only has been used, that is called left alignment. That is the present trend. We are using left alignment in nowadays to write letter. And before writing the letter, plan yourself what to write. Keep it simple. Always try to keep it simple. Write your letter in simple sentences. Formal writing examples. What you should write there. The contraction. I do not think that is an excuse for the treatment I received. Okay, I didn't know. If you write like that, then it might be wrong. Okay. Formal set phrase, you have to use no contraction. Formal set of phrase, I look forward to hearing from you. Okay, I look forward to hear. That is incomplete, means you have to write formal set of phrase there. Then formal greetings, dear sir, madam, dear Mr., Mrs., like that you have to use there in formal greetings. Complete sentence, write complete sentence. We should consider redoing the shop window display. That is the complete sentence. Okay, means write the complete sentence in formal letter. Okay, if you write incomplete sentence, then that will be informal. Use of passive voice. Okay, you can use passive voice also there in formal letter. The local sports center were opened in the last 10 years. Okay, that has been passivized here. Formal connecting words. Use formal connecting words. Okay, in addition to this, many people feel that the police are underfunded. That is the formal connecting words. Okay, it is connecting formally, not difficult, very formally and in a simple way, with respect has been used. Informal writing examples. What should you write in informal? Okay, contraction. You can use contraction there. Okay, it is contraction. Okay, that is something else I have got to tell. Here contraction, certain form has been used. Informal set phrases. Thank you for your letter. It is informal phrase. Okay. Informal greeting in letters. Dear Sam. Okay, Ram, Ramesh, like that. Incomplete sentences. You can write here. Okay. Great news about your brother. Okay, it is incomplete sentence. Phrasal verb. You can use phrasal verb in informal sentence. Go on instead of continue. Okay, informal connecting words also you can use. Well, I think that is all I wanted to say. Like that, informal writing examples. Okay, so let's see an example here, such as write a letter to the mayor of your city seeking a solution to the problem of water lodging in your area. That means it is formal letter, because we are going to write the mayor. That is a post. It is office, sorry, an office. Okay, so you are Raj or Rani of Dharma Colony, Ramgarh. Okay, let's write. First, what do you write? First, write the sender address. Okay, your address 14/8 Dharma Colony, Ramgarh. Then the date in standard format, 23rd August 2018, 2020, 19, like that. Then this is a receiver address. Okay, who is going to receive? The mayor. Okay, to the mayor, but to is not compulsory. It is optional. The mayor, Ramgarh. Then that is comma. Then write the subject. What is the subject? Complaint regarding the problem of water lodging in Dharma Colony. That is the subject. Okay. Let's next salutation. Sir, madam, or dear sir, respected sir or madam, you can use here. Okay, then body. I'm Raj Sampat, a resident of Dharma Colony. The residents of the area are facing a lot of problems due to water loss. Every year in the monsoon season, the area gets filled with water as the drainage system gets choked. We have requested the area committee many times, but the situation is still the same. The residents' lives have become miserable as many water-borne diseases have spread. All the houses are submerged and we are facing a tough time. Please consider the issue as serious and find a solution at the earliest. Then, okay, this is the complimentary ending and it is, okay, conclusion. Yeah, sincerely, Raj Sampath. This is the letter. Okay, it is a formal letter we wrote to an office. Okay, let's see another example. Okay, this is how it has been arranged here. 44 Orange Complex, okay, Western Colony, Kendusar, 23rd March 2000. The manager, okay, Barclay Building Society, River Street, Anandapur. And dear sir, thank you for your letter dated 15th March. I'm afraid I cannot agree with your letter. They are asking something. Yes or no? I have studied my bank statement and still cannot find the charges you say are outstanding. Means charges, okay, which they were saying outstanding charges they have left from there. This is the third letter I have sent, and if no action is taken within the next 5 days, I will contact my solicitor, advocate. Okay, I hope this matter can be settled as soon as possible. Yours faithfully, Dolly Desai. Okay, this is another demo letter. Okay, then how do you arrange this? Let's see. This is the first address, then date. This is address. This is date. This is the receiver address. This is the body. Then this is the sender signature. Okay. When writing formal letters, let's see. Always no commas outside the main body of the letter. The main body which we show through the arrow just before. Okay. No commas outside the main body of the letter except salutation. Dear sir, madam, then put salute. Okay. Use short sentences and simple words to write formal letter. Use, okay, paper paragraph. Paragraph must compulsory. Leave paragraph and arrange your lines properly. Okay. What you should not include in a formal letter. Use slang. Never use slang. Okay. Never use jargon. Means the dialect, the language which you are using while talking with your friends or anyone in your locality. This is another example. Okay, you bought a second hand car for Rs 7 lakh. It had only been running for a week when the engine broke down, stopped functioning. The garage says it will cost over 4 lakh to repair. Write a letter, okay, to the garage where you bought the car, asking for your money back, to return your money. To your, okay, solicitor, explaining what has happened and asking for advice. Okay, to and also ask your advocate for this. Okay, means mention there another letter. Okay, to a friend explaining what has happened. Write 3 letters. Okay, first one is complaint, means you ask for money. Second one is, okay, ask to an advocate for advice. And next, write such application describing, sorry, such a letter, okay, informal letter to your friend describing what had happened. Thank you.